Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. We are still with grade 8 Natural Sciences. And the question today says survival of organisms. Okay. Is challenged by factors such as competition, predation, parasitism, human impact, and others like diseases. To survive, the species has to adapt so that it suits well in the ecosystem. So that it suits well in the ecosystem. Okay, let me just briefly throw some light here. Okay, we know the challenges organisms face. The herbivores challenge our primary producers by eating too much of it. The herbivores are being hunted by the carnivores. Diseases come, we clear forests, that's human impact. Parasites come and infect organisms. Competition comes, some organisms are better competitors than others. So the other is out-competed and survival comes to be on the line. So all those factors are affecting the survival of organisms. So the first question says, state what happens to the species which fail to adapt to the environment. The answer is that they undergo extinction. Example is the dinosaur. Dinosaurs were on Earth, all the evidences are there, and they are no more. What happened to them? They failed to adapt to the changes which happened, and so they underwent extinction. So what is the answer here? It undergoes extinction. Yes, then comes the question below. It says classify each of the adaptations below as behavioral, structural, or functional. Okay. Yes. The first one, giraffe developed long neck. You're going to look at this as you progress up to university. The fossils show that giraffe was not having a long neck the way we see it today. Its fossil record shows that it was having a short neck, and now we can see it has a long neck. What kind of change or adaptation that one is? That one is structural adaptation. Yeah, then comes this adaptation. Birds migrate to northern countries during winter. Okay, why? This is we normally see it. Birds migrating from the southern countries when it's tending to become cold, and they go north where it's warm. The question is, what kind of adaptation is that? The answer is behavioral adaptation. Yes, then comes this one. It says that flowers of baobab tree smells like rotten meat to attract bats, flies, moths, for pollination. Okay. What kind of adaptation is that? That is functional. Yeah, then comes this one. It says that wood frogs hibernate or become dormant in winter. Yeah, that's how they survive winter. They undergo dormancy, not moving. That one has a tendency to lower the respiration and need for food. So the animal will not need food. It will not need to respire heavily. So, because during winter, food is scarce. So that's how they survive the winter. The question is, what kind of adaptation is that? That one is also functional. Okay. And with that, would love to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. See you next time, but don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment and to refer the channel to a friend. We are simply the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.